Oh yeah, looking good.
Hello, Chef here. So today I'm making a quick recipe for you. I thought I would share with you chicken satay with fresh chives. Oh yeah. Follow along. First step, I'm going to be using these bamboo skewers. I like these for certain dishes, especially Asian or fusion dishes. So the first thing is, you notice they're really dry. You want to soak them. I've got a cylinder here of cold water. Put them in the water. After a while we can flip them over. We want them to soak up some of the moisture. Ah, look at the beautiful chives. They came from one of the farmer's gardens. Really nice, really fresh. I like them. When I'm working with fresh vegetables or foods from the garden, I always wash them off. Stainless steel bowl. A pair of kitchen shears. These ones have a micro serrated edge. I like them a lot. Hit up the sponsor. So we're going to cut these into very small pieces so they release more flavor as well as disintegrate into the marinade. Yeah, I'm only going to use about maybe 1 to 2 ounces like this. Just enough for a few pieces of chicken. Right there, that's more than enough for what I'm doing. So, wow, they smell amazing. Oh yeah. Okay, so for the marinade, just follow along and watch what I add to the bowl. I'm going to start with 2 ounces of soy sauce. Yeah, if you use a lot of soy sauce like me, buy the big jug in bulk. A few drops of sesame oil, just a little bit, gives it a lot of sesame flavor. Oh, I like it. Extra virgin olive oil, 2 ounces. Okay. This recipe calls for shallots. I developed this about 20 years ago, and shallots are amazing. I'm out of shallots, so I've got about 1 ounce of dried shallots. More than sufficient. Okay. Fresh garlic, 1 large clove should do. Oh, look at that beauty. That's a big, big, big clove of garlic. Oh, yeah. Just going to chop it up a little bit. Keep your fingers rolled back when you do this motion. Oh, yeah. That right there smells amazing. Goes right in the marinade. All right. Pinch of cinnamon, pinch of cumin, salt. I'm using the grinder here. Generous amount of the Hawaiian pink sea salt. Yeah, it's loaded with vitamins and nutrients. I like it. Fresh ground pepper. This is the 4-color blend here. Using another grinder. I like fresh pepper. There's nothing like the flavor you get out of there. Oh yeah. I got another sea salt here. This is smoked sea salt. Adds a smoky taste. I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon of this smoked sea salt. Oh yeah, it's dissolving right before your eyes. Chef's secret ingredient. 1 tablespoon of powdered coconut milk. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Okay, with this marinade, we want all these flavors to come together, so we're going to require some water. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 ounces of water in there to let the marinade come together. One more secret ingredient. The sponsor has got this wasabi powder from Japan on sale. I think it's only like $2 a jar. It's like really cheap. I think it's the lowest price on the internet. So, wow, it's looking really good. I'm going to put in about a half a teaspoon of wasabi powder. That is going to give it a kick. This looks so good, I think I want to taste. Wow. The rest of the marinade goes over the top, just like this. You would be very wise to subscribe to the channel right down here. Chefs teaching you valuable skills, and there's so much more to learn. Don't forget, like the sponsor. I'll be back. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow, I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah. Visit your sponsors. So you're in the market for maple countertops. Why not go with the best the first time? Select solid rock maple, full rails or blended North American hard rock maple is ideal for a countertop surface, islands, tables, backsplashes. Buy the best the first time and choose food safe Varnique finish or natural mineral oil. Check it out at your sponsor. Wow. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Check out the sponsor, All Things Butcher Block. As seen on TV and used by chefs and food service professionals around the world. Check it out at the sponsor. They're having a free shipping sale and wow, it's the best. Score the mystery oil, made in America. I like it. And the board cream, made in America. I like it. NSF certified, food safe, the ideal product for wood countertops, cutting boards, islands, wood culinary utensils, as well as all butcher block and related items. Most importantly, use it regularly. I like to use them once a month. Thanks for watching. Get cooking, smash that like button, subscribe right there, and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. The best butcher blocks made in the USA, as seen on TV. Contact the sponsor for yours. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Get the chef's cut-proof glove. Save your fingers. No more cuts. Chef-tested, chef-proven. Follow the link. Get cooking today. Ah, the blocks preferred by chefs. On sale with free shipping.